Today, digital communication is the primary method used to exchange information. The type of information is not always the same. Sensitive data, projects, strategic and confidential communications, financial projections and intellectual property are just some examples of data that require the highest level of protection. Boole Server is the security platform chosen by leading international companies to create a safe area in which to securely archive, exchange and control confidential data. Only authorized users have access to the armored area guarded by Boole Server, according to specific permissions granted. Any port scanning attempt or direct attack to the network will fail. During transmission, data is encrypted at 2048-bit, the same level of encryption used by the military. Data supervisors distinguish who is allowed to access the system and which files can be accessed, modified, shared or copied to remote locations, including USB drives. Thanks to this granular system, it is possible to apply different functional restrictions to each file. One user may be allowed to modify, while another may only have permission to view. A file can only be viewed for a finite period, either until a specified date or just for a few seconds. To grant permission to view confidential projects or top-secret documentation outside the company network, it is possible to set a secure file preview. A watermark will be applied and the external user will be able to see the file for just a few seconds before the system automatically removes it. The auditing system reports on every action performed within the network monitored by Boole Server. The data supervisor will always know who has connected, what actions have been performed on the files, and when it occurred. There are many ways to communicate data. Boole Server ensures it is done safely.